Good morning and welcome to this lecture, which is on electrophilic substitution reactions in di-substituted benzene rings. Last time we have seen that in monosubstituted ring, the orientation of incoming electrophile is governed by the substituent which is present on the ring, and depending upon that, the composition of ortho meta para differs. In di-substituted rings, there are three rules which governs the orientation of incoming electrophile. The first rule says that when a strong electron donor competes with a weaker one or acceptor, the former controls the orientation. That means strong donor will have upper hand over the weak donor, and naturally the product is going to be ortho para with respect to OH. Para here and ortho here, and not with respect to methyl, because methyl is a weaker electron donor. Subsequently, we will see some more examples in due course of time. Rule 2 states that in a 1,3 di-substituted rings, the common ortho position is rarely substituted. Now, what is the meaning of that? Just quickly write one example and proceed. Let us say we are working with a and this is subjected to bromination, let us say. Now this is the common ortho position is difficult to undergo electrophilic substitution. So we don't expect this product, and the chances of getting this product are rare. So this is rarely found. This is the common ortho position to the substituent which is not substituted frequently. Third rule is important. Rule 3 states that in a, or we'll put another statement, when a meta directing group is meta to electron donor, the substitution occurs at ortho position with respect to acceptor. That the example is this one. If you are working with this nitrile, then this is electron acceptor which is placed meta or at 1,3 position with respect to donor. Now this is donor, this is acceptor, this is meta orienting. If this is subjected to electrophilic substitution, then according to this rule, the position which is ortho to cyno will get substituted. Now this is the only position which undergoes electrophilic substitution. Okay. Now these are certain rules. Now we'll see some examples To illustrate the application of the electrophilic substitution in monosubstituted and disubstituted rings, and for that matter we are coming up with some synthesis of the compounds starting with benzene. So the question is, design the synthesis. Of the following from benzene. So we are going to use this knowledge for the application purpose to devise the synthesis, and the first one is the target molecule, or the molecule under consideration is this is metachloroaniline, and we are supposed to make it from benzene. Now if you look at the substituents, Cl is orthopara orienting group. So one Cl is there on the ring, NH2 cannot be introduced. On the other hand, NH2 is orthopara orienting. So if I start with aniline, it is not easy to incorporate Cl at meta position. So there has to be some logic behind the synthesis. This is orthopara directing, this is meta, this is orthopara directing, this is also orthopara directing, but they are placed at 1,3 position, and therefore we have to come up with different strategy here. As we have said that you are going to start with benzene, the introduction of nitro group, you can have the nitronium ion from any source, HNO3H2SO4, acetic anhydride, HNO3 or HNO3 itself, or natrium salts, or anything. You can get monosubstituted benzene. The only thing is you have to put the reaction condition at 55 degrees Celsius. You don't have to go ahead, otherwise the polynitration may occur. Once this is obtained, now we know that this is meta directing group. So introduction of chlorine will be easy and according to the requirement of the product or this target molecule. Now what we have 3-chloro-nitrobenzene. Now it's a matter of converting this into this. So reduction of NO2 to NH2 can be achieved using various reagents. So first one is tin HCl. So I am going to put one reagent here. Tin HCl will reduce NO2 to NH2. Other reagents are metal NaCl, sometimes yellow ammonium sulfide, lithium aluminum hydride, and so on. But the sequence is that you start with benzene, perform nitration. Now we know that this is meta directing group, that's why induction of chlorine happens only at meta position. And since this is electron withdrawing group, the reactivity of this ring is going to be very less, and Pauli substitution will be a problem because you are having two electron acceptors. Now this exerts minus I effect, this exerts minus R effect, and therefore the Pauli substitution is out of question. Reduction takes place and exclusively you get the formation of 3-chloroaniline. Okay. Now this is one of the example. Second example, benzene. Once again, if you look at this is orthopara directing, although weakly deactivating. This is also orthopara directing, and surprisingly these two are placed at meta position. So this again have the similar methodology. We must have something which can bring the Br at meta position, and if I start with phenol, the incorporation is not possible. If I start with bromobenzene, this is not possible. So my substituent, or if I write something logically, this is your metanitrophenol. Now metanitrophenol is commercially available, or you can have a synthesis for this, and this can be reduced to NH2, and NH2 can be transformed into Br through diazonium ion. So I'll just put some multiple lines. That means we are starting with benzene and you are getting this metanitrophenol. Metanitrophenol can be transformed into diazonium ion, and diazonium ion, in fact this is nucleophilic substitution reaction. So this kind of sequences are slightly difficult for TYBSc students, but still we expect few steps like this, and you can have the synthetic sequence here. One more example we'll have. Benzene. So nitrile group at para position with respect to the isopropyl group. So you may think of starting with isopropyl benzene or cumene, and then this is orthopara directing, but you have to have a functional group interconversion for this group. Your CN plus cannot be like that is difficult, but you can always think of transforming one functional group to another using this methodology. So I will go for the first step. as we start from benzene, I'll make isopropyl benzene using N-propyl chloride and aluminum chloride. As already we have seen that this is going to be the major product. The second step is to incorporate one functional group which can be subsequently transformed into nitrile. So I'll go for conventional nitration reaction. Being the isopropyl group is bulky, the para substitution is going to be major, and then you reduce this NO2 group to NH2 using the same methodology as we have said earlier. Diazotize it and then treat it with cuprous nitrile and you get the nitrile here. The bond is with carbon, so I will put it in this way. That is the product. Now the reagents you can put TnHCl here, NO2 plus HNO2 at low temperature, and this is the overall sequence by which you can generate this 4 nitrile or 4 substituted cumene starting with benzene. So some of the applications are used to devise the synthesis. Now, couple of examples for predict the product. If benzene is treated with chlorine FeCl3, what will the product? That is first. Second is benzene is treated with this halide along with aluminum chloride, what is the product? And one more example is benzene is treated with these three examples. Two are based on Friedel-Crafts alkylation. This is halogenation, Friedel-Crafts, and alkylation, and Friedel-Crafts acylation. Now for benzene, since we have already said the equivalent positions are there, so predict the product is going to be easy here. You are going to get the chlorobenzene as a product. For second compound, the formation of carbonium ion is going to be the first step. So if you show it like this, the heterolytic cleavage and then shifting of bond, and then this group will be incorporated on the ring, and lastly this is easy, there is no question of any orientation. So this is going to be the product of electrophilic substitution reaction. Okay, so this is Merwin-Wagner rearrangement, this is conventional halogenation, this is Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction.